Hi guys, we go here Citroen DS3 2013 model. So we just done the service, and the you can see service indicator on, which is the spanner mark. I'll show you how to reset the service light. So press and hold this button, and you can see the countdown: 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So once countdown finish, so take off your finger, turn off the ignition, turn it on again, saying oil okay, and the service light gone. Yeah, thank you for watching guys. I'll see you with another video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.